Hi guys, so today we're going to go through the walkthrough for the automatic pizza order program. And I'm going to Replit. On my Replit account, I've created a new file, Replit called pizza program walkthrough. So let's look at the project requirements. First of all, we're going to use our user inputs. That is the pizza size that the user wants and whether or not they want the pepperoni toppings, whether they want extra cheese on their pizza. Okay, so first let's get the pizza size from the user. So we're going to create a new variable called pizza size. Then we're going to assign it to the input method from Python, and then we're going to ask them what pizza size do you want? Yeah. Then we give them options: small, medium, or large. Yeah. Then we're going to get hold of that user input. But before we do that, let's set the pepperoni price as $3 and extra cheese as $1, like that. Yeah. Then from our user inputs now, or you can even have these at the very top because they're constants. You can have them at the very top over there. Okay. Then let's now check whether which pizza size the user wanted. We're going to use an if statement. So we're going to say if, but before we do that, just a minute. So let's turn the user input into lowercase, just in case the user enters their input in uppercase or lowercase. We make sure everything has been turned into lowercase by using the .lower method from Python. Yeah. So this takes care of if the user enters a capital S or a small s, it will be turned into a lowercase using .lower method. Okay, now that we have the user input and we've converted it into a lowercase, we're going to use the if statement to check the size of the pizza that the user inputted. Then, so you're going to say if pizza price is equals to small, that is S, if the user entered letter S, then we're going to set, so you're going to set the price as $15 and pepperoni as $2. Remember the pepperoni from the instructions here, the pepperoni for the small size pizza is $2. The rest is $3. Okay, so you're going to set the pepperoni to $2 and the pizza price itself to $15. Okay. This is pizza size, sorry, not pizza price. Okay. So if the user wanted a small size pizza, we are going to set its price to $15 and the pepperoni as $2. Yeah. Then we're going to check else if using the else if statement. So else if pizza size is equals to medium, we're going to set the price to $20. Yeah. And I'm not going to set the pepperoni now because remember the pepperoni for the medium size pizza and the large size pizza, it's $3. And we have already set that. And we've already set that at the very top here. The pepperoni is $3. And we are only changing the pepperoni for the small size pizza because it's the only one that is different from the rest. So you're not going to set the pepperoni price here for medium. You can do that, but it will be repetition since you've already set the constant here for the pepperoni as $3. Yeah, so you don't want to repeat ourselves. Yeah, so we've set the pizza price as $20, and then finally you can use an if statement, or you can use the else. So you can say if pizza size is equals to large, then we're going to set the price to $25. Okay. Now we have the price. We've built the logic for the pizza pricing. Now let's ask the user whether they want pepperoni or not. So we are going to create a new variable called want pepperoni. Then we're going to assign it to the input method, and then we're going to ask the user, do you want pepperoni? And we're going to give them an option of yes or no. Yeah. Then we're going to get hold of these want pepperoni now. And we're going to say if want pepperoni is equals to yes, or represented by letter Y. And even here, we should change these to lowercase just in case the user enters uppercase Y. So we're going to say if want pepperoni is equals to Y, that is yes, we're going to say price. We're going now to set the new price as the original price of the pizza based on the size of the pizza that they selected. And then we're going to add the pepperoni. Yeah, pepperoni. Okay, so what we are saying is if the user selected the pizza size small, so we're going to get into this if statement here, if block here. Then we're going to set the price to 15, and we're going to set the pepperoni to 2. Then we go down here. If the user selects says that they want pepperoni on their pizza, so we're going to get the price, which is the $15, and then we're going to add the price of the pepperoni. Yeah, but if the user selects the medium, we're going to go to this if block here. We're going to set the price to 20, and since now we're not changing the price for pepperoni, our program will pick this pepperoni price here from the top, which is $3. Okay. And we can make this one even easier. We can make this one easier by saying, instead of saying price is equals to price plus pepperoni, we can say price plus equals pepperoni. It's the same thing. It's like saying price is equals to price plus pepperoni, but instead of repeating price twice, you can use this shorthand method of doing the same. Okay. Again, we're also going to ask the user if they want cheese. They want extra cheese. So you're going to create a new variable called want cheese. And you're also going to assign it to the input method. Then we're going to ask the user, do you want extra cheese? So these are yes or no answer. Then we're going to change these to lowercase as well, just in case the user enters a capital or uppercase Y or uppercase N. And then we're going to repeat the same. We're going to say if want cheese is equals to Y, or is equals to yes, Then we're going to take now the price, which is now this price that has been added pepperoni. If they chose to add pepperoni, so we're going to pick that price. If they chose pepperoni is no, then the price, we're going to pick the price from this if statement based on the pizza size. But if they chose pepperoni, we're going to use this price now because this if statement evaluates to true, and we set up the price is equals to price plus pepperoni. And now here again, we are going to say if want cheese is equals to y, then we're going to say price plus equals cheese, extra cheese, which is the price for the extra cheese here at the very top. This one here, which is $1 for all pizza sizes. Okay, and basically you are done with our program. Okay, we are done, everything works now. If we run a few tests, it should work. So let me run the code. So what pizza size do you want? So we're going to say we want small. Do you want pepperoni? Let's say yes, we want pepperoni. Do you want extra cheese? Let's say we don't want extra cheese. So we've not done, there's something that you've not done, you've not printed out the pizza price. So we're going to print your pizza bill is the price dollars. Now we're going to display the price. So let's run this again. Do you want what pizza size do you want? You're going to say small again. Pepperoni, yes, we want pepperoni, but cheese, no, we don't want cheese. So our pizza price, our pizza bill should be $17 because from our program here, the pizza size, the price for the small size pizza is $15. And since we said we wanted pepperoni, the price for a small pepperoni a topping is $2, so it's 15 plus 2. And for extra cheese, we didn't want, we said we do not want extra cheese, so we're not going to add that. So that's why the price for our pizza is 15 plus 2, which is $17. Let's do another test. Let's test for a medium-sized pizza. And let's say we don't want pepperoni, but we want extra cheese. So our pizza price or pizza bill is $21. That's because the pizza price for the medium size is $20. We did not want any pepperoni, so that is not being added. But we said that we wanted extra cheese, of which cost us $1. So it's 20 plus $1, which is 21 here. Okay, let's run another test where we want everything. We have a medium-sized pizza. We want pepperoni, and also we want extra cheese. So our pizza price is, our pizza bill is $24, which is 20 plus 3 plus 1, okay, which is 24. You can also test for the large size or the small size again. Let's say we want the small, pepperoni, yes, extra cheese, yes, and our pizza bill is $18, which is this 15 plus 2 plus 1, which is 18. Okay. Can also finally test for the large size pizza. Let's run. Pizza size is large. We want pepperoni, and let's say we don't want extra cheese. Let's say we don't like cheese that much. So let's say we don't want cheese. So our price, our pizza bill should be 28. That's because the price for the large size pizza is 25 and the pepperoni is 3. 25 plus 3 is 28. Okay. All right. So that is the walkthrough, guys, for the pizza program. I hope you got it right. And if you didn't, please just follow the walkthrough, and I believe that you're going to understand how we implemented that solution. You can also draw up your own flowchart of how you want to implement that solution. And then after you've built the flowchart and you understand what the program requires, then you can write up the code for that. Yeah. So first, try and understand the problem. draw it down, break it down into smaller portions or smaller chunks, and then work it through. Okay, right. Thank you very much, guys. I'm going to give the next exercise maybe tomorrow, and we're also going to have a walkthrough for that. Okay, so have a good one and good luck.